Hey everyone, a lot of discussion about the Road Act, if it's going to discourage new homes from being built. So we'll see how the law pans out. More discussion about high mortgage rates and keeping buyers on the sidelines. And there's some articles that the people who did buy overpaid, and I could definitely see that. It was disappointing. I had a property for sale that needed a gut reno, and a lot of residential brokers were only referring one contractor, and then also only one mortgage broker, and people need to shop around to find the best deal. And I gotta say, I found it quite surprising these wealthy people were just getting one quote. I don't know why people would do that, but that's them. Boomers are buying bigger, not downsizing. I've done a few sales in the last few years that were grandparents buying 2 to 3 bedrooms here in New York City because they knew their children were scattered all over the planet, and this was the easiest place for them to come visit with their grandkids. And they were buying some pretty good sized places to entertain, so it makes sense. Office conversions harder than they look. Some folks were commenting on LinkedIn, property managers from all over the country actually. These office buildings are not as easy to convert as they thought they were. We'll be dealing with it. The developers bought them, they got them, they'll make it work. Also, the Kingswood Center, a little over 229,000 square feet, commercial property, 100,000 of which is vacant, was just purchased for $31 million. The seller paid $89 million, so again, not where you want to be, but someone got a good deal. More talk about inflation and the deficit. Consumers are cutting back at the grocery store, according to Morning Brew. Sorry to hear it. Hope they're eating healthy. Restaurant week starting now. 600 participating restaurants. Some good deals. Get everybody out of the house. Young people having the summer of Ludd. Something to do with the Luddites. Where do these kids get this stuff? But I am loving their expression, "we outside." Whatever they do, they're leaving their phones and going outside and all the things they do. So happy to hear it. Anybody who's still looking for rentals, I've got some 3 beds around Union Square, 7,500 to 8,000. Scattered 2 beds, Greenwich Village, Lower East Side area, 5,500. If those rooms are too small for you, I've got some very good sized loft studios, 4,000 to 4,500 West Village. Those of you looking to save money, I've been showing studios and 1 bedrooms, 2,500 to 3,000 on the Upper West Side. So there's still reasonably priced places out there. Be in touch. Chris Morley, Bien Realty. Contact info in the bio. Follow for more New York City real estate news. Thanks.